Leasing a car in New York can help offset the high cost of living there. Let's talk about why you do this and what to expect. Transportation costs in New York are about 40% higher than the national average. New York drivers spend around $400 per month on things like gas, insurance, and maintenance. If you have a car loan, the cost of driving is even higher. That's why leasing a car in New York can be a great option. With a lease, you can drive a new car that's great on gas and has low maintenance and repair requirements for a lot less than it would take to buy one outright. Anything that goes wrong with the vehicle while you have it will likely be covered by the manufacturer's warranty. Plus, you don't have to commit to paying a car loan for several years. You can choose the terms and duration of your lease agreement. Most leases last 2 to 3 years, while the standard car loan stretches as long as 5 or 6. Cars aren't great investments anyway, if you can call them that at all. Your car begins to lose value the moment you drive it off the lot. So by the time you're actually done paying your car loan, your car will have little or no value left. You won't have to worry about depreciation with a lease either. Most closed-end leases are very straightforward. Once the lease is over, you simply give the car back to the dealer. The bottom line is that leasing a car in New York is a great way to keep your month-to-month living costs down, so long as you shop around and find a good deal. Shop around at multiple dealerships to see what's on offer, and make sure to get all your prospective lease terms in writing before you sign. Be cautious of any dealer that tries to get you to sign a lease on your first visit, is unwilling to negotiate the terms and conditions, or piles on a lot of extra fees. For more information on deciding whether to lease or buy your car, hit the subscribe button or go to getjerry.com.